In the previous tutorial, /post/Rust tutorial collections / we did a collections deep dive. Now we explore embedded Rust, how Rust works on microcontrollers, what no_std means, and why Rust is becoming the language of choice for embedded systems. Let's break it down. What is no_std? The Rust standard library, std, depends on an operating system. It uses heap allocation, threads, file I/O, and networking. Fixed size buffers without vec. You use fixed size arrays. Const generics make this clean. The buffer size in is known at compile time. No heap allocation. Ring buffers are everywhere in embedded. UART receive buffers, SPI data queues, audio sample buffers. They let you write data from an interrupt and read it from the main loop. The %in wraps the position around. Hardware abstraction layer, embedded HAL. In embedded Rust, the embedded HAL crate defines traits for hardware peripherals. Every chip manufacturer implements these traits for their hardware. Your code works with any chip that implements the traits. State machines. Embedded systems are often state machines. A device starts in idle, initializes, runs, handles errors, and shuts down. Rust enums model this perfectly. The match on state event is exhaustive. Interrupts and atomics. Microcontrollers use interrupts. When a hardware event happens, button press, timer tick, data received, the CPU stops the main code and runs an interrupt handler. The main loop and interrupt handler share data. In C, this is done with volatile variables. Sensor patterns. Embedded devices. Red sensors. Here's how you model that with Rust traits. Every sensor implements this trait. Your application code doesn't care if it's a DHT22, BME280, or a simulated sensor for testing. Command parser. Serial protocol. Embedded devices often communicate over serial, UART. You receive text commands and parse them. Pattern matching makes this clean and safe. Every command variant is typed. Watchdog timer. A watchdog timer resets the device if the main loop stops responding. You must feed the watchdog regularly. If you forget, the device resets. In a real system, the watchdog is a hardware peripheral. Embassy framework. Embassy is the async runtime for embedded Rust. It brings async/await to microcontrollers. Traditional embedded code uses a main loop with interrupts. Getting started with real embedded. To run Rust on actual hardware, you need 1. A supported board. Popular choices: Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040. Cheapest, great for beginners, STM32 Nucleo boards. Widely used in industry, NRF52DK for Bluetooth projects, ESP32 for Wi-Fi projects too. The right target. Install the compilation target. 3.